Hey guys, Phil Harris here, and this is just a really quick tutorial because a couple of you guys have been asking how I go about editing my DJ sets that I put out on YouTube. You know how I have like Serato at the top and then me DJing underneath and a waveform at the bottom? Well, it's a really easy thing to do, and I thought I'd just throw together a quick tutorial to teach you guys how to do this, okay? So let's just jump on the computer. I'm going to show you how I do my editing. So, I'm going to assume you guys know a bit about editing already because this is just quite a quick tutorial here. I use a program called Premiere Pro. You've got your timeline here with 2 clips on it. The first clip is the clip of you DJing, which you film from above, and then the other clip is a screen recording from the DJ program you use. I use Serato, okay? The next thing you want to do is stack these on top of each other so the one is playing directly on top of the other. The one you want to put at the bottom is the one of you DJing. So we've got this clip here. What you do is you just drag this up into a different lane, drag the audio down into another lane, drag it on top and make sure that the two line up perfectly. And what I mean is when I say they line up perfectly, you want to make sure the music is kind of going at the same time. The next thing you want to do is you want to unlink these, okay? So you just unlink them from the audio. And you want to just use the audio which is the good audio. So one of the audios you're going to be recording just from your camera, and one of the audios you're going to be recording out of the program. Okay, you want to use the one that's come out of the program. So I use this program here called Capture, which is this program here to do my screen recordings. So I'm going to get rid of the audio that comes from the camera. Now what you've got is you've got Serato sitting on top of the DJ decks, or me DJing. Next thing you want to do is you actually want to duplicate this. So you're going to just, for now, let's just drag it over to the side. I'm doing that by just clicking Alt and drag and then drop, and it kind of duplicates it, okay? Now what you want to do is you want to go to editing over here. Let's see how to do this. Okay, you've got to go to editing up here. You come to effects, you come to crop, like that. Just type it in, grab crop, drag it onto this clip, drag crop onto this clip as well. Now, when you click on the screen grab here, you can then see over in the effects control, there's crop. And all you got to do is you just drag this up until it gets to the top like this. And then you can kind of scale it if you want it to be bigger or smaller at the top like that. Okay, so that's the one done. And then you can obviously like shift it up or down using these controls here. Okay. And then you've got this other clip over here, which is another duplicate. So you drag this up, put it in place, make sure it's all lined up nicely. And this one's going to be the waveforms. So same thing again, you're going to crop from the top, crop it down to about there, crop from the bottom, bring it up here like this. Oh my gosh, it's fiddly. Okay, drag it down. Let's bring it in from the, actually let's just scale it down a bit. Like this, and then you can go in from the sides, so from the left, bring it in a bit to there, so all lines up neatly, right from there, and there you go guys. Now you've got this clip where everything is lined up really easily. I'm going to give you one last tip, okay? Something that's really fiddly is lining all of the videos up. So the best thing to do is, I'm just going to drag these over as an example. You'll find the point you want on this video, click on the clip, click M and it makes a marker, and then you can go to this video here, for example, find the exact same point, which might be a moment in a song or something like that, click M, and then when you drag them on top of each other, that's how you would align the whole videos. So there we go guys. If you don't know anything about Premiere Pro or editing, this is not going to mean anything to you, but the guys who are interested in knowing how I go about doing that multi-layered kind of editing, that's how you do it. Hope it's helped. Leave a comment, let me know if it has. Subscribe for more videos all to do with this kind of stuff. And I'll see you guys in the next video. Thanks for watching. Ciao.